Water-related accidents, including drowning, remain a significant concern in many communities despite the availability of safety equipment such as life vests. Many residents lack sufficient knowledge on their proper use. This gap in awareness increases the risk of preventable injuries and fatalities.
Objectives and beneficiaries. The main objective of our project is to produce residents on the proper use of life vests and to help them understand their importance in ensuring safety. We want people in the barangay to become more prepared during water-related emergencies, such as floods or accidents near rivers or other bodies of water. The target beneficiaries of this project are children, youth, parents, students, and other community members. Especially those living in flood-prone areas. By giving them proper knowledge, we can help them protect themselves and their families. This project is not only about teaching but also about building awareness and responsibility. Safety knowledge can make a big difference during emergencies.
Implementation and importance of our project will be carried out by distributing printed materials containing information and examples of drowning and flood-related incidents. We will give the residents time to read and understand the information provided. After that, we will personally explain face-to-face on how to properly wear a life vest and why it is important. Since our barangay already has available life vests, no extra venue or funding is needed for the activity. This makes the project simple, practical, and easy to implement. The goal is to make sure that every resident gains useful knowledge that can help save lives. In this way, our project supports both community safety and disaster preparedness.